Hi guys! Alam nyo ba kung ano ang cerebral palsy? Ito ay isang brain condition na kung saan nagkakaroon ng damage ang ating developing brain. Nangyayari ito bago, habang, or pagkatapos nating ipanganak.
Ano-ano po ang signs and symptoms? Andito ang hirap sa balance, muscle stiffness or spasticity, may delayed sa ating motor skills at minsan may difficulty sa pagsasalita.
Walang cure ang CP. But of course, with the help of physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy, at syempre, sa suporta ng ating pamilya, may magiging improvement ang mga bata. Remember, CP doesn't define them. Let us focus on their abilities, not in their disabilities. I am Teacher Pretty Jane, and for me, small improvements matter. Thank you for watching!